Good morning and welcome back to my channel. We are starting lecture number 71, bio section, and this is a coincidence. The topic which we will discuss today, viroid, they were discovered in the year 1971. So trust me, I haven't planned this coincidence. It has happened on its own. So they were discovered by Diener, T.O. Diener, and he was working on potato spindle tuber disease. So this is what happens. The shape changes. Okay, this is the normal potato and it becomes tuber shaped. So this was an interesting discovery because viroids, as the name suggests, they are like viruses. Any term that ends in oid, it indicates similar to. So they were similar to virus, but they are not virus because they are only RNA molecule. They don't have any capsid cover. So far we have completed all these topics, and this is the second topic of acellular organisms, viroid. There is only one single paragraph in NCERT, this small paragraph, but it is loaded with lot of information. So viroids, just like viruses, are not included in Whitaker's classification. In 1971, T.O. Diener, he discovered a new infectious agent. It was smaller than viruses, okay, much smaller than viruses. And it caused potato spindle tuber disease. And what was this? Viroids were free RNA. It did not had any capsid cover. See, the same point is mentioned here. It lacked the protein coat that is found in viruses. Hence the name viroid. Like viruses, but they are not virus. The RNA of the viroid was of low molecular weight. So notice this, it is RNA, okay? It is not DNA, it is RNA, and it is usually single stranded RNA, circular single stranded RNA, and much smaller than the genetic material seen in viruses. So all the details are not mentioned, just RNA and low molecular weight is mentioned. So see, these points you need to remember, and they can twist and turn and ask you anything from these sentences. So I have few sample questions. They were not asked in previous year papers. I have just picked from other sources. Try attempting them. First question. Genetic material of viroid is? The answer is RNA. Low molecular weight RNA molecule. Choose the wrong statement. Diener identified viroid to be free DNA. He identified viroid, but they were not free DNA, they were free RNA. So looks like we have the answer. This is the wrong statement. Therefore, this is the answer of the question. Next statement is Ivanovsky demonstrated microbes smaller than bacteria caused mosaic disease of tobacco. So yes, this is correct. He showed that the causative organism could pass through bacterial filters. So definitely something which can pass through bacterial filter will be smaller than bacteria. So this is correct statement. Next one, Stanley crystallized viruses. Correct. Bajering coined contagium vivum fluidum. Correct. So all three statements are correct except statement 1. So that will be the answer. Next question. Potato spindle tuber disease is caused by fungus? No. Virus? No. Viroid? Correct. Prion? No. So option 3 is the answer. Who discovered viroids? Whitaker, Linnaeus, Darwin, Diener. Option 4 is the answer. So this was all about viroids. Tomorrow we will discuss prions. It is not in NTA, it is mentioned in NCERT. So to finish this chapter, I will cover this topic also. And then we will be done with this chapter. Thanks a lot for watching this video and take good care of yourself.